Once allium stop blooming, their leaves tend to brown. Usually you can just pull them off. Allium seed heads have a lot of winter interest if you want to leave them. If not, just cut them to the ground. If the leaves won't pull off, you can cut them. Sometimes the seed head will disappear, so you can just cut that. And I think I'm going to leave the rest of the seed heads. And just pick up any leaves. If you do leave the seed heads, be prepared to have a lot of allium. You can always pull up anything you don't want. Here's an allium that's still in full bloom. The leaves are already starting to brown. If you really wanted to, you could come in and clip them, just so they don't look brown. Or you could just leave it, either way. Some more allium. There's salvia in the background. Here's an allium with brown leaves. Easily pull away.